My History de Exilius Pari Gómez Fuentes. October. Sometime when I finished my high school, I decided to work for economic to continue with my professional students. After a fifth year, I became pregnant with my first daughter, Diana, for which we found more reason to postpone study. But my goal was always to study when my second daughter, Luisa, was born. Of course, it required more time, so the possibility of studying was more remote. After 5 years, the possibility arises to study with and my day give the opportunity to access which why I see the need to grow professionally and personally, so have a culture, history, and make better decisions. I will make the decision to study at that time despite the situation. It is never too late to fulfill your dreams and goals.